Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we're going to make a chicken thigh with Brussels sprouts dish using garlic butter. Delicious. Come join me in my kitchen as I cook. Our ingredients are shaved Brussels sprouts, that's 12 ounces. I have garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, 4 cloves of fresh garlic, some butter, chicken thighs, we're going to use 4 of these, and chicken stock. So to our chicken thighs, I'm going to add, let's mix this up. This is an easy way of not using any more utensils. I'm gonna mix up my seasonings and just put them on here. I'm gonna go half. I'm gonna turn the chicken. And I'm going to put the rest of it on there. Okay, let's just move that around. And my pan should be hot. I'm not gonna oil my pan because I'm gonna cook these skin side down for 6 to 7 minutes. It's on medium heat. So let's see how this goes. Yep. If you need a little bit of oil, you can put some vegetable or olive oil. So skin side down. I'm gonna let this go for 6 to 7 minutes. Of course, you adjust your time. If it starts burning, please flip it. So I want the skin to get really crispy. So I'll be right back. All right, so in all honesty, I left these for 8 minutes because I walked away. And look how much chicken oil, chicken grease is in there from the skin. So you want to flip these and cook the other side for 5 minutes. And so now that I've cooked that for 5 minutes, I have to be honest, I did flip it again so I can get a little more crispiness on the skin. So I flipped it and cooked it for an additional 2 more minutes, and we flipped it back. Now I'm going to add the chicken stock. I'm going to put this at about between 3 and 4 so it doesn't evaporate too quickly. And I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes. So now it's been 15 minutes. I'm going to push these to the side. You see how that's just part of the chicken grease, but that stock has evaporated. And to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, and add that. This is going to give it a very good buttery flavor. And to the butter, I've chopped up and made it almost like a paste. Those 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to start cooking that down. It smells so good. Like the garlic, when it starts cooking, it lets out this beautiful aroma. It's so delicious. Okay, so now to this, I'm going to add our Brussels sprouts. So just add them all in here. And I'm going to start just moving it around so they can cook. And I'll cook these for about 5 minutes. And now that this has cooked down for 5 minutes, you see you get a really vibrant color from the Brussels sprouts, and they're nice and tender but not overly cooked. So we are going to check the temperature of the chicken. Let's see. The Costco bag actually says for it to go to 185, but this, we've always cooked chicken to 165, so I figure, let's see if it hits 185. We're fine. We're more than fine. Okay, so let's plate. Alright guys, it's time to taste our chicken and Brussels sprouts. Now, you can serve this with rice, you can serve it with potatoes, any kind of starch that you want. I'm just eating the Brussels sprouts with the chicken on their own. Let's see. I got that skin very crispy. Don't know if you can hear it from here, since my AC is on. It tastes really good. You can taste the garlic, the butter. You can taste, it has flavor. I see a lot of people cooking with just salt and pepper. Guys, flavor your food, you'll enjoy it better. You can taste the onion, the garlic. The pepper is a very subtle background flavor, but it gives it a real nice, depth of flavor. And these Brussels sprouts are delicious. Cooking it with so much fresh garlic and just butter and some of the grease from the chicken, from the skin of that chicken, this is a really good meal, guys. And it's quick and easy. It's not too long. Now, if you find that the chicken is not cooked, you can always take the Brussels sprouts out, or check your chicken before you add the Brussels sprouts to the pan. That would be better. My chicken was done perfectly. Sometimes they come a little bigger. Sometimes, they're smaller. So make sure you don't overcook, but you definitely want it well done. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and hit like down below. Thank you for watching, and you can subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Bon appetit!